Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Despot. Happy e-learning day. Hey, one of the activities that you're going to be doing today is to be writing a couple sentences. And so think about some of the verbs that we have learned during school. Verbs are action words like hopping and skipping and jumping, all of those things that you can do. And you're going to write two sentences, and there needs to be a verb in each sentence. I know that I am really ready for some warm weather. So one of the words I'm going to use is melting, and I'm going to write about a snowman. On Canvas, I also have a file there that has all of the high frequency words that we have learned so far this year. So you can look at that file to see if there's any words that you just can't remember how to write, or mom and dad can help you with those high frequency words. So using those words, that high frequency words, plus a verb in each sentence. All right, my sentence is going to be about a snowman, and you can use your e-learning journal, or you can just use a blank piece of paper. I've got a piece of paper here, and I drew a rectangle. That's going to be where my picture goes, and then I'm going to start down here, and I'm going to do my sentence. All right, I'm going to start with the sun is very hot. And if you don't remember how to do hot, tap those words out. Hot. So I know it's hot. It is melting, my snowman. All right, I've got my two sentences, and I know I've got two sentences because I've got a period here for one sentence, and this period here makes it sentence number two. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw my picture. So, when we're drawing a picture, I've got my melted snowman. He's not looking so great. We need to make sure that we're adding lots of details also. So when you're doing a picture, make sure you put lots of things in here. So I know I've got my snowman, and I know that it's melting, so I need a sun. Sun is big and bright. My sun. I also think I'm going to put me in here, so you know it's my snowman. I'm going to also put some grass on the ground because the sun's melting the snow, so we've got a little bit of grass showing. There's a snowman's hat. So far, you see that I have my picture. All right, the next thing we need to do to make sure that we have everything we need, and that are drawing is really wonderful is we have to check it. And on the canvas, there is also a file that says writing rubric. And the rubric is just things that we need to have in our drawing. So let's go ahead and check it to see how we're doing. So the first one is, did I write 2 sentences that make sense? The sun is very hot. It's melting my snowman. I think that they do make sense, and I do have my 2 sentences. Did I start my sentences with capital letters? I've got 1 capital letter here and 1 capital letter here. So I have my 2 capitals at the beginning of my sentences. Did I put spaces between my words? It's very important. So as you can see, I've got spaces between my words so that it's easy to read and it doesn't look like one big word. All right, did I use appropriate punctuation? And so I've got a period here and a period here. If my sentence was a question, I'd have a question mark, but I've got those appropriate end marks. Did I do my best handwriting? So I tried my best really hard to make it legible and so that you can read it. So do your best handwriting. And the last thing you need to check, does your picture match your words? So if I drew a picture of an elephant, that wouldn't match very well. But my sentence is about the sun being hot and it's melting the snowman, and you can see my melted snowman here. So I think it works. When you're doing your writing, make sure you check the rubric to make sure you have all the things that you need. Enjoy writing your sentence with your verb, and enjoy the rest of your e-learning day.